Hello, my dear little friends. I'm Clara, the wise butterfly from Bebee World. I love flying high and feeling the wind touch my colorful wings. While I fly, I learn from the flowers, the sun, and every little part of nature. Did you know that nature has so much to teach us? It shows us that everything has its own time, and that with patience and love, we grow and learn a little more each day. When you feel afraid to try something new, remember, sometimes flying means believing in yourself. I love helping Bebee, Lili, João, and Lucas see the world with calm and wisdom. Together, we learn, care for nature, and spread good things all around Bebee World.
Hi, my friends! I'm Clara, the little butterfly from Bebee World. With excitement, I'll tell you all. The day I learned to really fly. Shall we go on this adventure together? Fly with me? It was morning, the sun was bright. Inside my cocoon, it was time to wake up. My tiny wings, so small and light, were flapping slowly, very slow. Do like this, flap, 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 try it then. Flap, 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 the wind blows. Hoo, 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 no, 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 I won't give up, oh no. Fly, fly, little butterfly, Clara, fly. With your colorful wings up in the sky, fly. Don't be afraid to try, believing is the best way to fly. Fly, fly, little butterfly, Clara, fly. Nature sings and smiles all around, fly. Clara's going high, with patience and love you'll reach the sky. Up she went, spinning in the air. The wind played games and lifted her there. Without falling, Clara sang la 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 la.